Lean methodology centers on cutting out waste to ramp up efficiency, transforming the core of how a business operates. Lean scrutinizes every step in a process to eliminate non-value-adding activities. In this way, it not only boosts productivity but also enhances customer value. This approach of Lean not only streamlines operations but also fosters a culture of continuous improvement, empowering teams to innovate and excel in an increasingly competitive marketplace.
Visit drshrutibhat.com for more information on operational excellence and product development, industry-specific case studies and free white papers.